Welcome to Ombelle. I'm Stephen Engasser with eXp Realty, MrFloridaHomes.com. The Ombelle construction project here in downtown Fort Lauderdale is right here on the corner on the Butts route as well. Northeast 3rd and Northeast 4th, right there. So here's the construction area right here. It's going to be on this entire block. And just over my shoulder is downtown Fort Lauderdale, and a few blocks away, downtown Las Olas. About a 15-minute walk. Would you like to be one of the first people to buy here in the Ombelle building? You know what they say about real estate. The first people to get in, get the best deal. Construction hasn't even started. I'm here in a mock-up kitchen, and across the street here in downtown Fort Lauderdale, construction will be starting by the end of this year, 2025. They have 6 different models to choose from. A studio starting at $466.21, all the way up to a 3-bedroom starting at $1.1 million. There will be 2 landmark towers, 43 stories tall, and it'll be 775 residences. And right behind me, I'm going to show you the amenity deck, which will be located on the 9th floor. So I'm going to give you a tour of this mock-up kitchen, the dining room, and one of the bathrooms, because construction hasn't even started. There's no models to show, but this is what we have to work with now, so I'm going to show it to you. And if you want more information, please call the number on the bottom of your screen. I'm Stephen Engasser with eXp Realty, MrFloridaHomes.com. You call me, I answer. My number is 954-551-1987. This is the mock-up kitchen that they have set up here across the street from where the Ombelle building will be constructed. So just to give you a sense of the style and the size of this property, or what the kitchen will look like. Have beautiful, oh look, Ombelle hats and water bottles. Big tall closets, pantries, and the cabinetry will also match the refrigerator. So it seamlessly flows with the kitchen. Another pantry. So a lot of space behind this kitchen. You have a microwave, a wine fridge, and the dishwasher is also concealed inside the cabinet. Well, no, that's not the dishwasher. The dishwasher right here. So right across the street is a parking lot, and that is where the Ombelle building will be constructed. And just down the street is Broward Boulevard and Las Olas. So to the south, that way, is downtown Las Olas and downtown Fort Lauderdale. So here we have the model mock-up center. And I'm going to walk you right over to the amenity deck. So this is where all the amenities are, such as the gym, the pool, the sun deck, the yoga rooms, massage, card rooms, meeting rooms, sauna, two pools. And plenty of outdoor space for socializing. So here at Ombelle, this is the mock-up of what the dining room area will look like. And this will be a living area, which is where the amenity deck model is. And you see straight across the street out there, that's where the building is actually going to be put. And there's the size of the kitchen. So let's go take a look at the bathroom and see what this looks like. So this is just a mock-up, so you get to see what this will look like. You have a nice standalone tub, dual sinks, and a walk-in shower with no lip or anything. It's all seamless in one. It flows nice and easy. Look at that backlit shelving area. and a little incognito drain there, so the water goes down in there. So if you want more information about this condo, this complex, please give me a call at the number on the bottom of the screen. I'm Stephen Engasser with eXp Realty, MrFloridaHomes.com. My number is 954-551-1987. So just to recap, here at Ombelle, they have 6 models. There's also 2 penthouse models, and I have the brochure here. And the penthouse models, they have a 3-bedroom and a 4-bedroom penthouse. They're between 2,800 and 2,200 and 2,600 square feet. So they have a studio starting at $466, a 1-bedroom with a den starting at $519, a 1-bedroom. Wait, take that back. Studios starting at $466, a 1-bedroom starting at $519, a 1-bedroom with a den starting at $703, 2 bedrooms starting at $907, 2-bedroom with a den starting at $1 million, and a 3-bedroom starting at $1,198,328 to be exact. So if you'd like to see these properties in the sales gallery, give me a call. I'm Stephen Engasser with eXp Realty, MrFloridaHomes.com. If you'd like to see floor plans, I have all the floor plans saved in a PDF, and I can email them to you or text them to you. Just text the number right here on the bottom of your screen, 954-551-1987. Again, Stephen Engasser with eXp Realty, MrFloridaHomes.com.